I recently finished this floral arrangement. It's a completely undrawn illustration with colored pencils, and I just love drawing composition like this, even if they can take quite some time. But it's so beautiful to see all these colors and all this flower coming to life from a blank piece of paper. In this case, this illustration was inspired by a reference picture that I took while exploring Amsterdam during tulip season a few years ago. This will sound a little bit weird, but I love collecting fun facts about plants and animals. I've been a passionate reader since I can remember. When I was a kid, I lost myself in reading books about nature. Um, I still do that, reading books about plants and nature. And I love these ones that I'm showing to you because the illustrations are gorgeous, and they are sort of travels around the world through plants and flowers. You know, they are just two of my favorite things, plants and travels. Every illustration that I create is completely undrawn with colored pencils, and I use for reference the pictures that I take during my travels. Then I scan my illustration and arrange them into patterns using Affinity. But the part where I play with my hands is always my favorite. And my favorite tool for making art are pencils from Faber-Castell, and I want to show you the pencil from where start everything. With this HB pencil, I sketch the outline, the foundation of every single illustration I create. Then I will color it, I will add shadows, but everything start from this pencil. I want to share with you this picture that I took recently. I was walking just a few blocks from my studio here in Milan, and then I saw this beautiful poppy meadow. Um, I just love spring in the city because my city is beautiful, but it also very gray, and it can be quite suffocating, especially in winter. But I just love springtime when nature awakens. Flowers paint all the city with very beautiful colors. So I stare watching at these poppy meadows from for minutes, and then I spotted this white poppy in the midst of all the red ones, and it was a magical moment.